Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into something that's been catching a lot of buzz in the wellness world. C15. Ever heard of it? If not, buckle up because this might just be the health game changer you've been waiting for. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. C15, scientifically known as pentadecanoic acid, is a saturated fatty acid. But before you roll your eyes and think, oh no, not another fat I have to avoid, hear me out. Unlike the usual saturated fats that get a bad rap, C15 belongs to a special class called odd-chain saturated fatty acids. And guess what? These guys are the good ones. So what makes C15 so special? Well, it's all about mitochondria. You know, those little powerhouses in our cells that keep us going. C15 has been shown to enhance mitochondrial function, which means more energy, less oxidative stress, and better cellular repair. In simpler terms, it helps keep your cells robust and youthful. But wait, there's more. C15 also packs a punch when it comes to fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major player in age-related diseases, from cardiovascular issues to metabolic disorders. By modulating the body's inflammatory response, C15 helps you maintain a more resilient, healthier body. Think of it as your internal peacekeeper, keeping the bad stuff at bay. Wondering how you can get some of this magical fatty acid into your system? Good question. While C15 is naturally found in trace amounts in dairy products and certain meats, getting enough of it from food alone can be a bit tricky. That's where supplementation comes in. High-quality C15 supplements are easily available and can help you hit those optimal levels. Just make sure to choose reputable brands that prioritize purity and efficacy, like the folks from Fatty 15. We've added a link below so you can check them out. But here's the kicker. Supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. To truly reap the benefits of C15, pair it with a healthy lifestyle. We will be going over the types of foods and exercise needed to keep you young and healthy. This includes keeping active and managing your stress. It's all about creating a synergy that boosts your overall well-being. So there you have it. C15, your new ally in the quest for better health. Give it a try and see how this powerhouse nutrient can transform your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to maximize your health and well-being. Stay healthy and vibrant, folks.